I've been using Xencelabs pen tablet for a few years already, and most of my artworks are made with it. Recently, Xencelabs sent me their newest tablet, a 16-inch pen display tablet, which I think is the industry first 4K OLED pen display. Hello, I'm Mr. 23 and I'm really excited to show you my first unboxing video. There are two versions of this tablet, and the one that Xencelabs sent me is the bundle version that comes with a ton of accessories, and there's also another version, the Essentials, that comes, as the name says, only with the Essentials accessories to get you started. We'll take a look at the bundle version today, and I'll let you know my personal experience with this display tablet later in the video. Because I have never done an unboxing video, I was a little bit nervous when Xencelabs contacted me to do one to their newest display tablet, but in the end it turned out that the package arrived safely to me in a really big and secure box. A really nice surprise was to discover that the carrying case was in the top part of the box. There is a lot of space inside the carrying case and enough compartments that you can use to add your laptop and the tablet along with all the other accessories. It has the straps for your shoulder, and on the back you can use this part to attach it to your stroller when you're traveling, which is pretty smart. I could not help myself, I wanted to see if this portability thing is as they promoted it, and yes, it was super easy to take everything into just one case, my laptop, the tablet, the quick keys and just one cable, and I still had room for more. Moving on, we got a thank you card and also a list with all the accessories that you can get with this bundle package. Then we have the display tablet, which I was really surprised to discover how light it is for its size, about 1 kilogram, and it's also really thin. Even if I won't see the back of the tablet when I use it, there is a really nice Xencelabs logo on it. Then we have the mobile Easel that allows you to use the tablet in two different angles on your desk, an 18-degree angle and also a 32-degree angle, and you don't get this on the Essentials version. You get it only on the bundle. As I said, you can use only one USB Type-C cable to connect this tablet to your laptop. And I love the fact that it has a 90-degree connector. I use the same type of cable on my pen tablet and I love it because it doesn't take that much space. When you're using one single cable to connect it to your laptop, the minimum brightness is 170 nits, but it can go up to 300 nits if your computer USB-C port allows it. For example, if you are using a MacBook Pro. If you want to achieve anyway the maximum 300 nits brightness, you should use the USB hub that we'll be talking about in a few seconds. A really small thing that I like is that you have a Velcro that it's attached to the cable, and you can store your cables much better that way. Another important accessory that we have only in the bundle version is the USB hub. On one side it has a USB-C that goes into the tablet, and on the other side it has a USB-C power adapter, a mini display port, a HDMI port and another USB-C that will connect to the PC or your laptop. Through this device you can connect your tablet to your PC or your laptop. And because it will be connected to a power adapter, it won't drain any battery from your laptop. And by using the hub, the display brightness can go up to 300 nits. But honestly, I didn't see any difference when I was using it on my laptop or on my PC. Another super useful accessory that we can find only on the bundle version and not on the Essentials is the quick keys. And I must admit that even if I have one that came with my older pen tablet, I did not use it that much. Was easier for me to use the keyboard instead, but now with the display tablet I have used it a lot more once I configured all the shortcuts in the driver app. It has a really cool wheel with 4 different modes, and if you press in the middle you can select a mode for zooming in, for increasing or decreasing the brush, moving through the canvas, and the last one you can customize it as you wish. And it also has a really interesting RGB circle light underneath that will tell you which mode is selected every time. This button here changes the sets, so every time you press it there will be 8 more custom shortcuts that you can assign in the driver app. Moving on, we have the pen case, and this one you can find it also in the Essential version. Inside we have 2 pens, both are version 2.0 that works only on the display tablets. You cannot use those pens on the pen tablets or the other way around. We have a 3-button pen, which is a thicker pen, and the other one is a thinner pen, which I must admit I use the most. It feels like an Apple pen, and I wish it had the same 3 buttons as the other one. We have a USB Type-C to USB Type-A adapter, a wireless dongle for the quick keys, and we also have a nib extractor that we can use to pull the nibs when we want to change them. We have 10 additional nibs that you can use. We also have 2 clips that we can basically attach everywhere on the sides of our tablet and use them as pen holders. When I thought that it's over, I discovered more accessories. I had no idea that I'll find 6 more cables. All of them have different Velcro colors, so that you can remember them easily. We have a USB-C to USB-C 2 meters power adapter cable, a USB-C to USB-C 1.2 meter cable, a USB-C to USB-A 3.0 1.2 meter cable, a 90-degree USB-C to USB-A 1.5 meter cable, a HDMI 2.0 to HDMI 2.0 1.2 meter cable, and the last one, it's a DisplayPort to DisplayPort, the same 1.2 meter long. But that's not all. If you travel a lot in many different countries, they included all the wall adapters that you need or you even think of. They just thought at everything. I did not expect so many things in the box, but we are talking about the bundle version, so it makes sense. If you are a Dragon fan like I am, these Xencelabs limited edition Dragon pen holders are a must-have. The craftsmanship is incredible. Prices vary depending on your region, but they are definitely worth the investment. They are a huge improvement to my desk compared to the old one I used so far. Finally, we have the warranty and a really cool sticker, a display cloth to clean your screen, and a medium glove that will prevent the additional touches. Using the 16-inch display tablet requires a new learning curve, because I use pen tablets for years and I need a new muscular memory, but just looking at this amazing 4K OLED screen, it will worth the effort. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, because soon I'll post a huge video where I'm going to show you how I created this wallpaper that I've been working on for the past 4 weeks.